Hi, my name is Cathy Huffman Oaks, and today I'm presenting you with a brief tutorial on how to complete 3 very basic tasks in Microsoft Word version 2010. The 3 tasks that we will learn today are how to create a header and a footer in a document, second, how to create a table in a document that will include 3 columns, 7 rows, and we will also learn how to merge the top row of cells. And third, we will learn how to set up the keyboard for the Spanish language so that as you type, it automatically includes the punctuation. Okay? So let's get started. We will begin by creating a header and footer in our document. So let me direct your attention to the ribbon, and I'm going to ask you to click on the Insert tab above the ribbon and move to the right until you come to the header and footer group. If you will click on the down pointing triangle underneath header, we're going to insert a very basic header. So we're going to choose the first one that will be blank, the blank option. Okay, and for this example only, we're just going to type our name and today's date, which is June the 24th of 2013. Okay. Now, because I just prefer my header to be right aligned, I'm simply going to select the text, return to the ribbon, and click the Home tab and Right Align. Just very simple. Okay? Now I'm going to return to my Header and Footer Tools and Design tab, and this time I want to create the footer. Again, for our purposes, we are going to include a very basic footer. So I'm going to simply scroll down through the options, and I just want something that reflects the page number. So I'm going to choose the conservative, and as you see, it has inserted the page number with a very simple line. That's all I want. So now I can click the Close Header and Footer, and if you scroll to the top, you see that you have now created your very first header, and if you scroll to the bottom, you can see that your footer is there as well. Okay? So let's move to task 2 now. We're going to set up a table in this document that we're currently using. So we're going to again return to the ribbon and click on the Insert tab. This time we're going to go to the Tables group and click on the down pointing triangle underneath Table. And I want to choose a 3 by 7 table. I'm going to click there, and it automatically inserts my table for me. The next thing I want to do is I want to merge that top row of cells. So in order to do that, the first thing I do is select that first row. And the easiest way to do this now, to merge this row of cells, is to right click, and from the drop down menu, simply come down and left click on that Merge Cells. And there you have it. You have now merged the first row of cells in your table. Okay? Now, to conclude this tutorial, we're going to finish with the third step, which is to set up our keyboard for the Spanish language. So I'm going to ask you just to return 2 or 3 times in the same document. And this time, we're going to go back to the ribbon, but this time we're going to click on the Review tab. So if you click on the Review tab, and then you want to move to the Language group, choose the down pointing triangle underneath Language, and select Set Proofing Language, Set Proofing Language, and you're going to choose Spanish Mexico. Now I have used this prior, so mine is already there, but all you're going to do is simply just scroll down until you see Spanish, and you want to look for Mexico. Click on that and tell it OK, and it's that simple. Now the example I want you to type is hasta mañana, so we're going to type exclamation and then hasta, H-A-S-T-A, space mañana, M-A-N-A-N-A, exclamation, and enter, and there it is. Of course, I typed it wrong. Let me correct that, H-A-S-T-A, excuse me. And notice that it automatically inserted your punctuation for you. So there you go. That's how you set your keyboard up, insert a table, and create a header and footer in a Microsoft Word 2010 document. I'd like to thank you for taking this opportunity to view my tutorial. This is Cathy Huffman Oaks with Western Piedmont Community College.